All right, so I want to walk you through a double shift here. So we have sodas unhealthy and sugar prices increasing. So those two dynamics are happening at the same time. And Coca-Cola. These are two important economic impacts at Coca-Cola. So if you're a CEO or a manager or someone working at Coca-Cola, you should be concerned that obviously Coke is definitely has that perception, and it's obviously a real perception that Coke is not healthy for you, and then also maybe sugar prices are going up for various reasons. So the demand curve is shifting to the left, and supplies curve is shifting to the left. And the question is how much is that going to impact your price and your quantity of your business? And the $1,000,000 question is really, well, how much is demand shifting to the left, and how much is supply shifting to the left? Are they shifting equally, or are they shifting at different amounts? So there's three possible outcomes that could happen here, and that's really what you should have showed me, and hopefully you got this right. If you didn't, hopefully this video clarifies. So if the demand curve, the first one possible outcome here is if the demand curve just shifted a little bit, and the supply curve shifted more dramatically. That actually would push prices up because supply is outstripping demand in this case, and quantity would go down, right? I would agree that really soda being unhealthy, that's a dynamic that's happened gradually over time and not something that's a little bit more dramatic. Sugar prices going up probably would be more dramatic. So actually the first option to me is probably the most realistic. But maybe there's a report that comes out that says soda is really unhealthy and that really impacts people immediately. That would be a more dramatic shift of the demand curve, and maybe sugar prices are just slightly going up. So that would be the outcome for the second option there. All right, and that actually would push prices down and quantity would go down. So in all three cases, you're going to notice that quantity is going down for all of these. Now, ironically enough, if supply and demand shifted the same amount, price actually would be unchanged because they're actually canceling each other out, and quantity would still go down. All right. So, but you want to see a price change because those two dynamics are pushing, are actually canceling each other out. All right. Again, hopefully this video helps, and if you have questions or need more detail, go ahead and send me an email. Thank you.